Hi, this is Pankaj. Welcome to our YouTube channel. The first update you are getting from the Apple. Apple spotted with iFixit repair tool during MacBook event. Apple, as we all know, live streaming its recent One More Thing event online due to unveil the latest Apple silicon powered MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and Mac Mini. However, during the event, apart from Craig Federighi, Avocado look at the MacBook Pro folk from the popular teardown team. iFixit spotted their own repairing tool inside the Apple lab. Now, if you don't know about iFixit, it is a small company based in California that aims to help consumers repair their own electronic devices, especially smartphones, using a dedicated tool and informative how-to videos. Apart from promoting the right to repair act, to team also tear down various high-end smartphone in the market to check its repairability score, and it is the same company that discovered that replacing the camera module of latest iPhone 12 and repairing the AirPods are next to impossible for the third party technician. And it was recently found that Apple has made camera replacement impossible as it requires a proprietary Apple tool. Following this post, many users joked about the irony of Apple keeping repair tool in their labs, as the Cappuccino Giant is infamous for its device repairability. One user even joked that the iPhone maker was making sure that the tools would not work on their devices, and going by Apple reputation as just well might. The third update we are getting about the smart glass. The product design built-in GPS enables smart glass scratch from home. As the coronavirus pandemic has locked us inside our home, we have seen people get extra creative in recent times. Similarly, the recent model mandatory lockdown proved to be quite fruitful for the electrical engineer and product designer Sam March, who liked to build an electrical gadget from scratch in his leisure time. After making a smartwatch last year, the guy made a GPS enabled smart glass from scratch this time around. A few months back in the summer, March was walking down a scenic street with his smartphone giving his directions for his destination. After a time, he came to the realization that he was paying more attention to his smartphone inside instead of the beautiful view around him. The homemade smart glass comes with its own iOS app which March developed by himself, and whenever he needed to reach the location while enjoying the view, he just open up the app, feed the destination in it, and wear its smart glass. So, with the destination feed in the app, he does not even have to take out his phone from the packet. The GPS enabled wearable communicates with the app is giving direction to reach the destination via different color lights on either side of the frame. So while wearing the glass, the user will be able to easily spot the light cue whenever a turn comes or he or she reaches the destination. The light blinks blue for turns and green when you reach the destination. The second update we are getting about research. On average, humans spend around 9 years of his life on smartphone. Over the past 2 decades, smartphones have become an essential commodity in our lives, and we spend most of our daytime scrolling through newsfeed or clicking white selfies. Well, now a recent study estimated that an average human being spend almost 9 whole years of his or her life staring at the screen of smartphone. According to the recent study conducted by a mobile comparison website wait till out. An average person spend around 76,500 hours on smartphone in his or her entire lifetime. This roughly translates to 8.74 years of a lifetime spent on a glass slab with electronic on the inside. Moreover, the study found that millennials spend the most of time on their smartphone while older generation people spend the least amount of time staring at the digital screen. Obviously, we millennials don't want to miss out on the next big meme or our friend stories. Now excessive smartphone usage has been a growing concern over the past few years. We have seen many major companies come up with dedicated software tool in their operating system to help user limit digital time. However, following the coronavirus led lockdown, digital screen time for the most of the population has increased by many fold. The fourth update we are getting about websites. Around 30% of website will stop working on around Android devices running Android 7.1 in 2021. A recent announcement for a certificate authorizing organization Let's Encrypt state that around 30% of the website will stop working on many older Android devices starting from 2021. This will be result of the termination of the Let's Encrypt partnership with another cert authorizing organization called Adentrust. Now, for unaware, Let's Encrypt is one of the world's most prominent digital certificate authorizing committee. When the organization come into being, it applied to include its ISRG root, X1 root certificate in all web browser and operating system. These certificates are also cross-signed by Entrust with its own DST root, X3 root certificate and are used by around 30% of all the websites on the web. So according to the recent announcement, the partnership between Let's Encrypt and Adentrust will expire on September 1st, 2021. Moreover, they do not plan to extend the partnership due to unknown reason. As a result, all the website browser and OSS won't be getting support for the ISRG root X1 root certificate from Let's Encrypt. Hence, they will no longer work with websites that use the group collaborative certificate. According to the announcement, this will affect device running Android 7.1 as the software has not been updated since 2016. The fifth and last update we are getting from the WhatsApp. Here are 3 new WhatsApp features that you should start using right away. Ever since its release way back in 2009, WhatsApp went on to become one of the most popular messaging app in the market. This is essentially because of its user-friendly UI and the array of its nifty feature. Now, even though WhatsApp already is packed with a lot of features, the company released update to add more and more feature to make it the most feature-packed app in the market. So recently, WhatsApp added a quite few major features to app, and here are 3 of them that we think you should start using right away. Following leaks and rumors about the features, WhatsApp finally started rolling out the disappearing messaging feature recently. This works exactly as it sounds and will enable users to send messages that will self-destruct after 7 days. This feature works on personal chat as well as in group chat. In personal chat, either user can enable or disable disappearing messages from each other profile cards. However, in group, only admins of the group can control the feature for the members. So you can now send and receive messages that will delete themselves after 7 days. However, to keep in mind, these users can be take screenshot of the messages before it's self-destructing and can also be forwarded messages to the other user. Also, this feature is currently available on beta tester and will roll out to the stable channel in the coming weeks. As most people as of now turning to digital mode of payment instead of using cash. WhatsApp is aiming to turn its opportunity in their favor of introducing their own direct payment system. After testing it for months, the company finally brought WhatsApp to Pay to help users directly send money to their friends and families. These new tools bring a whole of new introduced to view and manage your storage easily and quickly. The new color coded storage bar device storage store and also categorizes the image and videos. Apart from that, the company also added section 2, particularly delete file larger than 5 MB and media that have been forwarded quite a few times. So these are three new features in WhatsApp that we think that you should try right now. However, if you are having trouble finding this in WhatsApp, do check if your app is updated or not. If it is not, then update your app via link below. Also, if you there are any new features that should come to WhatsApp, add them to right here.